In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upper mirror glass, the heated kind, on this Ford F-450. Let's get started. There are 3 tabs that hold this mirror on, one at the bottom and then one at the top in each corner. I'm going to start at the bottom, try and pry this away. If you want, you can cover this with tape to prevent glass from flying everywhere. Also, of course, wear gloves and eye protection when doing this. There we have it. Now if you flip it around, you'll see the wires for the heated part of the mirror. This one's clipped down on this tab. Remove that, wiggle the connector, and slide it right out. And there's your old mirror. With your mirror, you'll see that you received 3 of these tabs. They go on each of these securing points for the glass. And the way you want to do it is face them towards the outside. So if you look at it like an inverted L, it has to go towards the inside, and just press it until it locks in. Do this for all 3. Now take the new mirror and reconnect the electrical connector for the heated part. Then slide it on, line it up with the mounting surface, and there we go, installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.